So the storm front's hitting Leonard now. I'm on the north side of the house. We're getting some serious wind. Everything that was on that gas can was on the end of the thing over there. They're saying it's 60 plus miles an hour, but this is like a hurricane. So hopefully shop looks okay. I hear some metal flying around, but hopefully it doesn't break off and hit the horses. Those are fine. At least we have some shelter from this. If you go out that door over there, you just get blown off the porch. There's somebody driving in this. Don't flash your light at them.